Okay, Diana, please, you can add with your camera.
I don't think so because the camera is so awful. It's ugly, but I will try.
Okay. Uh, Alonso, please, your camera can be used for this session. Okay.
Hello.
Hi. Chicos, ¿ustedes me están escuchando también dos veces o solo una vez?
Una.
Ok.
Solo una vez, teacher.
Alonso, I waiting for you.
Teacher, I can't activate my camera right now.
No problem. Okay, hello, dear students. My name is Jenny Carolina Carrillo. In this moment, I am going to talk about myself. Mm, it's a pleasure be with there in this course, Basic English 1. And in this moment, I am going to tell us about that. I am going to, I, I like to listen about you. Diana, uh, what, what thing do you speak about you, your name, your race, your experience?
My experience in English.
Yes.
Okay. Well, mm, good morning. My name is Dayana Olaya Quijano. I am 18 years old and I live in Gaitania, Berlin. Well, my experience in English has been so good. I have studied English since mm, 2 years ago. I studied English in an institute in Ibagué. I studied 1 year, and after that, I start with my university. In a university with my career. Yeah, for me, it's so important to learn English because this is my passion and I want to teach other people my knowledge. No more. Teacher, I can't hear. You don't have active your voice. I can't see. I can. Now, yeah.
Okay, so, okay, nice to meet you, Diana.
Nice
It's a
to meet you too.
pleasure eh, that you are in this course. And now, Alonso, please talk about you, please.
Good morning. My name is Alonso Alayon. I'm 25 years old. I'm living in La Calera, Cundinamarca. About my experience with English language, I don't have any experience with that. So this is the reason because I am studying English because I like it. I want to learn more English. I don't know what can what can I say or what can I share with you about me. If you want to know something more, just ask me.
Oh, okay. Okay. I am a teacher. I want to know about you work or uh, your full time or your uh, career for the future.
Okay, teacher. I am an industrial designer, and I'm working right now.
Oh,
Um, I like to play drums. I am a drummer in a band, in two bands. This is my hobby. Um, and I want to be a teacher, English teacher, and I want to have the skills to do the right things. Um, being a teacher, and I want to learn English. This is the 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 most important reason because I am studying this. That's all, I guess.
okay. Alonso and Dayana, I apologize because right now I'm having problems with the audio. Um, so I hear a phrase with, and for this reason, it's difficult for me different when you finish your phrase. Okay? Diana, Diana in
Yes,
Alonso, do you hear me?
yeah, try to.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. For this reason, it's hard for me to know when the sentences that you told is finished. Okay? Please, sorry, but I don't know what is the problem. I don't know what is the problem. I found in my computer in the Hangout, but I don't found the problem. Okay, okay, let's continue.
Okay,
Okay, listen. Okay, in this moment, I am going to share by chat, by the chat, the link in where you found the video,
Okay, teacher. A video?
a video. Okay,
Okay.
here is link a video. And the activity is you look at this video. It's very easy video. Is for kids, but it is very interesting for the topic about apps. And you can see this video, listen the video, and then uh, Diana uh, be with the following PowerPoint presentation. One moment. Do you see the PowerPoint presentation?
Yes, I do. Teacher,
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me.
uh, we have to see the video in YouTube, yeah? And after that, we have to participate in the PowerPoint presentation with Alonso and you, yeah? Or what we have to do.
Yes. Okay. Uh, after you see the video, Alonso, look at this. The name of John is a dialogue. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah.
Alonso read the John's part, and you, Diana, read the A part,
Okay,
and me the B part. Okay. It's for practice.
okay, teacher, yeah, I understand.
Okay. For this activity, you have 7 minutes. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Please start with the activity.
okay.
It's a dialogue.
Teacher, do you hear me?
Yes. Tell me, Alonso.
I watched the video. What we have to do now?
Yes. Now, do you wait one moment
Yeah.
to Diana uh, and then read the green part of the PowerPoint presentation?
Okay, teacher. Okay.
It's for practice.
Okay, teacher. Perfect.
Diana, do you listen me?
Yes, teacher, I do.
Okay. Diana, please, do you read the blue and black part, okay?
The blue and black.
Okay.
Oh, the
The
black?
blue and black part.
Ah, okay, yeah, yeah. Yes,
Okay. A and Z.
yes, I understand.
Okay.
Do I start?
Let's start.
Ah, okay, yeah. So, I will start.
John, are you ready? John, sorry, Alonso, are you ready?
I'm ready, teacher.
Okay. Let's start, please.
Okay. Oh, it's John. What's up, John?
Hey, great to see you guys.
We were talking about you.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Sweden.
Um, wow, Sweden. It's really far away.
Um, it's not that far compared to other countries in Europe.
Do people speak English in Sweden?
No, we use Swedish.
But you are really fluent in English.
Thanks. My dad is a diplomat, so I grew up in many different countries.
Bye.
Bye.
What else?
Okay, excellent. Excellent pronunciation. Um, which country is a, I have a question. Which countries don't have? Do you remember?
Uh, uh,
Yes, South Korea.
Yes,
Mm, con-
Friends?
yes,
France,
and Germany.
Germany, and that's one. Only
And middle countries in middle
Dubai.
of. Oh
Dubai.
yeah, Dubai.
Yeah.
I
Dubai.
remember.
Okay, the mostly countries in Europe.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a good way for introduce yourself. Okay, um, okay, okay. You can see our presentation now. Um, there are uh, uh, ways for introduce yourself. But ethics, there are three forms: formal, neutral, and informal. The formal for greetings, for say hello, is hello, good morning, and the formal way for say for using in farewells is nice to see you. Nice to see you again. You can um, the screen, right? Diana, Alonso.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. The following presentation is about the neutral way for meetings, for introduce yourself, or for different contents in your work.
Okay.
Okay. Um, like I say, for neutral, do you use hi, hello, or for say goodbye, bye, take care, you too, and bye? This is a neutral. This is for neutral situation. Um, um, do you know, or do you tell me about the neutral situation? For example, give me an example, Alonso.
Neutral situation
Neutral
using
situation.
hi or hello.
Okay, in
Teacher.
where situation? For example, in a in a war, uh, in a war with your yes. For example, in the bus stop, do you know, or do you meet with a new people? And do you use now hi or hello, or what do you think about that?
I think that I can use a formal way. So I say good morning.
Okay, why?
Because it's a formal way to say hello to other people that I meet.
Yes, yeah, and the reason also should be that they are unknown people. Yes.
Unknown people, yes. I don't know that
Yes.
people.
Diana, give me an example in do you can use um, um, bribes for the formal situation.
For the formal situation, when I have no, when I want to be a new job and I have to go to the interview. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Is very important. Is very important. Have clear that, for example, for the Diane examples, in a job interview, do don't use informal or neutral uh, words. For example, hi, hello. No, in in my opinion, is a respectful phrase. Are you agree?
Teacher, I have a question.
Tell me.
For example, in my example about the new job,
Yes.
how no, what which ingredients do I have to use for say uh, hello? Can you give me one example?
Why do you give it? Yes. For example, good morning or good afternoon or good night, or you can use, for example, hello, Mr. Robin. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
but
do you refer to the people with for the name or for the for example,
the best
if
way.
your boss is a teacher, do you say good morning, teacher Carolina,
Okay.
or is a doctor, good afternoon,
Ah,
Doctor Carrillo? Okay.
yes, I understand. But
Okay.
I can't to say I can say sorry hello.
Okay. Okay.
Well,
Yes. In the example, there is a greetings that's as hello, as good morning, but you can use these greetings. It depends of the moment, of the place, of the person, because it's different. For example, when I say if depend of you know or unknown the people. The following PowerPoint presentation is for informal situation. Is formal situation is, for example, your boyfriend, your girlfriends, your parents, your family, your school partners, and the other situation in you were with different people. Okay. For this situation, you you use, hey, how is going, and good to see you. It isn't necessary to talk with goodbye, good morning, good afternoon. good night. Is only sentencing, informal sentencing as the example. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, perfect. Okay, who is this?
He is an actor.
He is an actor. But what is his name?
I don't remember.
His
Don't.
name is Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yes, yes, he is Leonardo DiCaprio. Okay, he is an actor. And the following, that's one,
He is Carlos Vives. He's
Carlos
a
Vive.
singer.
He's a singer, okay. In this,
Say
He is
along.
James. He
yes,
is James Rodriguez.
James Rodriguez. And what is the occupation?
He's a football player.
Football player. Okay, in this moment, the activity is you should think in different famous characters, and you select only three, only three, and you write sentences like the example. For example, he is James Rodriguez, and he is a football player.
Teacher, we have to choose the three characters.
You should three characters, famous characters,
Okay.
different to James, to Carlos Vives, to Leonardo DiCaprio, different.
Okay, teacher.
And write for me the you can use Word or for the chat or for the chat. Do you have 3 minutes? Do you use Word or PowerPoint presentation or chat? It's important that you choose different famous characters with different occupation as with compare with the examples given.
Teacher, is it right?
Tell me, Alonso.
Is it right how
Yes,
I write in the chat?
yes, yes.
Uh,
Do you use in Word or for chat?
yes, I use chat. I have to read my examples.
Analysis, yes, science, reason, okay. Diana, are you ready?
No, teacher. 1 minute,
One moment,
please.
please,
Yes,
Alonso.
1 minute, please, please.
Okay, teacher.
Of course, you should read your exercise.
Um, Now, teacher?
One moment.
Okay, okay.
Diana. Okay. Alonso, please start.
Um, you hear me, teacher?
Tell me.
Okay. He's Albert Einstein. He's a scientific. He's Donald Trump. He's United States president. And she's Emma Watson. She's an actress.
Okay, good. Diana, are you ready? Read please your exercise. Diana,
Yes, teacher. Now I do the presentation in PowerPoint, but I don't know how to share my screen.
mm, in the screen, Diana, listen. In the screen, in the part of in the left part,
Yeah,
a symbol, a blue symbol, the first.
blue
Do
or
you see?
green.
Blue. The first symbol is blue
Uh-huh.
with white black with black. You press this symbol,
Uh-huh.
or it's very easy that you copy and paste in the chat.
Okay, I will write better. So she's right teacher.
Please read.
Um, she is Angelina Jolie and she is an actress. She is Mariana Cajon. She is a BMX athlete. She is
Active.
Shakira athlete and she is Shakira is a singer.
Jesus. Okay, excellent, excellent, guys. Um, in this moment, you can see the questions with do or does. Do you use do or does to make a question in the simple present tense? Uh, do you know that do use the auxiliar do with subject you, we, they, or I, and does with third person. The third person are he, she, and it. Is clear this? Is clear this?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. And in affirmative way, for example, you speak English, but in question you change the auxiliary for the beginning of the sentences, and the verb is very is it's similar to the affirmative form. In the do you know or do you take in mind that we do use does for the third person? The verb is without s or es or IES.
Teacher, when you use does with third person, we don't use s in the verb.
Yes, yes. Do
Okay,
you don't use
okay,
S or IES or ES.
okay, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, the verb is do you use the verb with the base for in the infinitive? For example, go, want, like, or for example, speak. For example, do you look these sentences? He speaks English, but in the question is does he speak English without
Okay,
it?
teacher.
Okay, around now, do you choose only one sentences that do you write? For example, Alonso choose he is Donald Trump, he United States president. Okay, and you become these sentences in a question and write
O-
right now.
Okay,
Okay,
And
teacher.
Diana, for example, she is Angelina Jolie and she is an actress, and become these sentences in a question. Diana, please.
Okay, teacher.
Only one sentences.
Do I have to write the question in the chat?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Please
teacher.
write the question in the chat.
Okay. Teacher, with the three example or only one?
Only one. Please, Alonso, read your exercise.
teacher. I have a question. We have to add a verb or just make the question with do or does.
Is for using do or does.
Ah, okay. Okay. Does Albert Einstein a scientific? Does Donald Trump United States president? And does Emma Watson an actress?
Okay, excellent. Please continue, Diana.
Does Angelina work like an actress?
Okay, excellent.
Teacher, I
Uh,
have a question.
in this example, the word work is 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 fundamental. For the third person in the affirmative form, you can use S, but in the question, the word work is without S.
Teacher, I have a question.
Tell me, please.
In the Alonso's examples,
See?
I I can use does or is with the to be verb. For example, is Albert Einstein an scientific? Is Donald Trump United States president? Because I am confused. With those, with the auxiliary those in the question, um, should be a verb, a main verb, right?
Yes. In yes. In the exercise, in the Alonso exercise, Alonso should be to be verb. Okay. Okay. The reason is for don't exceed the verb. Okay. For
Okay,
example,
but it's
is
right.
is Albert Einstein a scientist? But in your exercise, Ajana, you can use that because you can use the verb work.
But the Alonso examples are good. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Right now, I am sharing with you a link. In this link, you can find exercise. Please, uh, do you see the link?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes. Please complete the exercise and then share with me the screenshot. For this activity, do you have 4 minutes? Do you could open the link?
What, teacher?
Do you could open the link?
Yes, I
Okay.
could.
And do you find the exercise?
Yeah,
Okay.
I finished. So I have
Okay.
Teacher,
to send the screenshot, right?
Yes.
Okay, I go.
um, where we have to send the screenshot, teacher.
Pantallazo.
Oh, yes, teacher. But or WhatsApp or here, or we have to share our
Eh,
screen.
o- eh, do you take a screenshot and paste in, for example, in Word or in Paint or in other Office program. And
Okay.
then please share with me with the option mm, in the left screen, eh, say compartir pantalla, share screen,
Okay.
the green option.
You can see, teacher, my screen.
No, now no.
Oh, I am sharing my screen. I don't know what you can see.
Yes, I don't see your screen. But
Diana, you can see my screen.
No, I'm
Oh,
saying the teacher's screen, but you
but
know,
wherever, guys. Tell me, please. Uh, do you have any difficulty with the exercise?
there's inside. I have a question in the five exercise.
Yes.
The question says, I put does. So does Sandy's hamster live in a cage? Is does or do? Because it's the petty is the Sandy's petty, yeah? Or the Sandy's animal. It's a hamster. So is does or do? What option do you have, Alonso?
I have das
Me too.
Is
because
that
Is
the
that
correct answer is that
okay?
because hamster is for refer hamster do you use the pronoun the personal pronoun it, and it is a third person. For this reason, do
Okay.
you use does? Okay. Any other question?
I have a problem with their question because I put the do and it's does because the point talk about two persons, Andrew and Martin.
The three question, the correct answer is do.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
do.
teacher.
Is do because, like you say, it refers to Andrew and Martin, and
Yes, teacher.
the personal pronoun is they.
They. Yeah.
Other
I
question?
no, I don't have more
Okay.
questions.
Alonso, other question?
No, teacher.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Please, let's continue with see the. One moment, please. Do you see? Do you see the screen? My
Yes,
share
teacher.
screen?
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
teacher.
Okay. This image is about WS question. Um, the the order for this question is WS question, word, do or does, subject, and verb. Okay. And for this, please found one moment. I'm sharing other link. you should uh, you should see the other link.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I see.
Please do the exercise only the six first exercise. Okay, only one, two, three, four, five, and six. Only six.
Only six exercise, teacher.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
only six exercise.
but I can't write.
Yes. No.
Teacher, I can't
Diana,
write.
you must press is word. Only press.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
See here.
Thank you, teacher.
Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Are you ready? All right.
Yes, teacher. We have to do just six exercise.
Diana, are you ready?
Yes, teacher. I'm ready.
Do you have a question about the
About
exercise?
no,
No?
it's in the sixth question. I put what do the girls like sports? And Alonso, how is your answer in this question?
I'm fail in the 6 point because I
The
put
6 point, okay, okay. The 6 point, the current answer is what do sports the girls like?
Okay,
I know that in the activity in the page the correct answer that you see is what sports do the girls like? But no, do do remember that the correct situation is WH word and
auxiliary.
do or does. Okay,
Okay, very good. And five, can you give us the answers
Tell me,
for?
Dayana.
Can you give us the answers because I have a doubt in the five too. In the five question too.
Why, why does teen like handball?
Okay. I put the right.
Alonso, please read the first question.
The first question, what are they doing?
The second, Dayana.
When do you get up in the morning?
Third, Alonso.
How do you spell your name?
Four,
What is for homework?
and
Yeah.
the and five,
Why does Tim like handball?
And
handball.
six.
Okay, perfect. Any other question
No.
Wow,
Okay.
teacher.
about any other question about this topic?
No, teacher.
Ever we have to put the order that first double question and later does or do, right?
Yes,
Okay, teacher.
does or do.
Okay.
Okay, for finish, you can say what is the image, the picture. What is the picture?
He's a policeman. A,
Yes, he's a policeman, and that's
Policeman.
one.
He's a chef.
That's one.
He's like you, teacher.
Oh, okay.
He is
astronaut.
Scientist,
yeah,
astronaut.
astronaut.
Okay, excellent. And the question is where does, for example, where where does policeman work?
The police station. He works in
Please,
the police.
complete sentences.
He works in the
Yes,
police station.
sí, yes. That's one, Alonso. Where does the chef work?
He works in a restaurant.
In a restaurant. Okay. Other one,
Okay,
Diana.
she is a teacher and she works in a school, in a college, in an university.
Okay. In other place. In wherever place.
Yeah,
And that's one, Alonso.
He's an astronaut and he works in NASA,
Okay. Or maybe in the moon.
the
Is
moon.
it depends in where place you can hear.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, perfect. Okay, excellent, Grace. Um, any question about the topics that for the all day?
no
No,
teacher,
teacher.
everything is good.
Okay, it's all for today. It was a pleasure talk, sharing with you, and please remember the next meeting is when
In Tuesday, yeah,
in Thursday.
at
Yeah.
8 a.m. It's early.
Okay. Yeah. 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 Sorry for the schedule today, but I had some problems with my camera and my sound, my audio. Okay.
Worry, teacher.
See you the next Tuesday.
Bye, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, teacher. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Bye,
Okay. Bye
Alonso.
bye.
Bye, Dayana.
Bye,
Bye
teacher.
bye bye.